Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all.
So this is the system in question. It's about 15, 16 months old. The dust that was in it, you saw in those still shots we took, it hasn't been probably looked after as best as it should with the dust that's on it. We're just interested in keeping it cool. We'll go through and do a clean a bit later, but for the purpose of this video, we just want to go through the installation of the new cooling tower. So the Thermaltake Toughair 510 contains the cooling tower with the fins and then two 120mm Thermaltake fans either side. Let's get it installed and see how it goes. What we have here, a Ryzen 5 3600. Thermal paste has well and truly baked itself, thanks to the multiple shutdowns at over 110 degrees. So according to the instructions, this piece has to go underneath the motherboard, this piece has to go on top of the motherboard. So we need to get it upright, get the other side off, and get to the back of the motherboard, see if we can fit this on. They are square-headed bolts, so they sit into the back quite specifically. And then we put these standoffs on each bolt, like that. And then it's a little fiddly, I have to say, but that's now on. And then the caps, the screw-on caps. The next part in the process is to add the thermal paste. So we will apply the perfect amount of thermal paste. Probably too much, but we want it to be cool, don't we? And then of course we need to take off this sticker. I see so many people online forgetting to take this off and then wondering why things don't cool down. I'm not sure how tight this is supposed to be. That's as tight as it can be. I'm not quite convinced that that's enough. Definitely as tight as it can be. It's got to be enough. The next step is to fit these brackets to the fans. Now we fit the fans to the side. That was easy. I'm still not sure if that's tight enough. We're in. So let's put it all back together, put it on the desk, and let's see if she fires up. Looks like a post to me, which means I haven't messed anything else up.
But the whole reason for this exercise was because we were trying to render this 7.5 minute video in 4K UHD, but the computer couldn't handle it because the cooling system obviously wasn't good enough and it instantly shut down. This is why the cooling system wasn't handling it. So we're currently running the screen capture software and we're showing 42 degrees. It's interesting to note that when we first built this computer 15 months ago, the idle temps were 45 degrees. When I check the temps now with the screen capture software off, we are showing 35 degrees as our idle temp. So that's a full 10 degrees cooler just using this new cooling tower. So now it was time again to try the rendering software on this video and see how far we can get it to progress. The first time we did it, when it was shutting down, it wouldn't get any further than 12%. Now with the new tower installed, we've got all the way to 100% and the temperature didn't get above 78 degrees Celsius, where it was shutting down at over 110 prior to that. If you'd like to see the video that caused all this problem, you'll find a link in the description. Thanks for watching.